Which do you think is better, this one or this one?
They're both boring.
I give up. We have nothing to decorate the room with.
Then we should make it with our own hands.
Okay, do you have any ideas?
I always thought foxes were cool. Let's draw a fox. Or, I guess now we'll have to do something with that.
Yeah, and the background here is going to be special. First, I'm gonna color it in random places. The more random, the better.
Looks cool. I want to draw too. Oh yeah, like that. Hey, that doesn't look like a pretty picture, Sue.
That's because all the pretty is yet to come.
And why did you ask for this?
We want to do a watercolor background. So first, we need lots of water.
Oh no, you're gonna ruin the paper.
Don't worry, I won't. And now for my trick.
Wow, it looks so pretty, and it's ready to go on the wall, right?
But you wanted to draw a fox, remember?
Right, here's the stencil. I made it myself.
Great, then I'll do the painting. Well, check this out! This fox painting looks very stylish.
Wow, it's even better than I imagined. Sue, we're real artists. Oh, and I just got an idea for the next craft. It's gonna be awesome! This is gonna be so cool, so cool!
What's all this, Sammy?
We will make a paper bouquet. Done. What do you think? Let's see.
Oh, be careful, Sammy. You know, I like the idea, but we can improve this flower a bit. If we bend each petal like this, the picture be more voluminous. Now we need something for the center of the flower.
Got it. I was just working on this one. Here you go. It's nice and colorful.
Sorry, Sammy, but that's not gonna work. Any other ideas?
Didn't think it would come to that, but okay. Here. I don't know exactly what to do with it, though.
Don't worry, I know.
Well, then here's another one for you.
Oh yes, these two colors look great together. Oh, it turned out so cute. I totally love it. Now we'll just glue it right here.
But we need more flowers, Sue. I've got this. Grow, my flowers, grow!
Don't you think that our flowers are missing something?
Do you mean stems? I found these in the back.
Just what we need. Thank you, Sammy. Also, our flowers can't do without leaves, right?
And we simply must add a butterfly. I mean, they are always hovering over the flowers.
You were right, Sammy. It turned out really beautiful.
Let me see it from a distance. Uh-huh. Candy trolls! They found me! Ugh!
Who? What are you talking about, Sam? Oh, a bubble wrap? Nice. This gives me an idea. We're gonna draw some flowers with the help of this thing.
Are the trolls gone?
Sammy, there's no one here but me and you.
No, Sue, I can feel them. Uh-oh.
How about this?
A candy? Do you think I'm that easy to trick?
Fine. I'll do the paintings myself then.
You go, Sue, and I will taste that delicious candy.
Not so fast.
Ah!
So for the first step, we need to paint this.
Easy peasy.
And for the second step, we should press it well against the paper sheet. Okay, let's see.
Whoa! Let's do more of that, Susie. Here, look at the color I picked.
Oh, it looks very nice, Sammy. There we go. And here comes more.
It's all dots. It doesn't look like flowers.
Don't jump to conclusions just yet.
You can never have too much green. Well, not when you draw flowers.
That's right. It really does look better that way. Now check this out. Oh, I wish I knew how to draw roses. They're my favorite.
Why didn't you say earlier? Hurry up. I've got something to show you. Come on. Oh!
Sammy, are you okay?
We're supposed to draw some cool roses. Where's all the plastic bags?
You mean like this one?
Exactly. Thanks. And now we need to inflate it. Uh-oh. I'm getting dizzy. Help me out, Sue.
Don't worry, Sammy. I always got you back.
You're the best. Okay, let's get on with it. All we need to do is just paint the corner of the plastic bag with red paint like this.
Okay, so what do we do with it next?
Press it like a seal.
Hop!
Hey, come on, Sue. Press it on paper.
That's right, sorry. Wow, it really does look like a rose. Finally, I can draw my favorite flowers without any problems. Yay!
Yeah, let's draw more of them.
It's time to add some greens. Now let's draw the stems.
With a bouquet like that, one could go on a date. Here you go, Mirror Sam. My treat. Oh, you didn't have to. Yeah. Hey, I'm trying to be handsome here.
But our roses really need this bow. This is awesome! Thanks for this drawing technique, Sam.
What if we put more life into our paintings? That's an idea.
Sam, what are you doing?
Let's make ladybugs like these, but in 3D.
That's something we can do. For this picture, let's use a darker shade of paper.
Are those gonna be mysterious night ladybugs?
Not really, but it will make the picture look more vibrant. And now, the best part. We're going to draw this picture with our fingers.
What? With just fingers?
Yup, check this out.
I want to do that too, but I don't want to get all messy. Oh, I know. The brush is the solution to all my problems. Take this, Sue. This painting needs more grass.
Great idea. For the next step, the pastel's too thick. But a pen will be just fine. We need thin, neat lines here. Nice.
Let's make some noise, Sue. Oh, yeah! That's what I call real music.
Woohoo, let's dance. Hey, I want to drum too.
Yay!
Except I'm going to do it with paint. Now we can glue our ladybugs on.
I can see the colors so much better this way.
That's quite a look you got there. Let's better use these eyes for the ladybugs. To make a wing, we need to fold this circle in half. That's right. Fly, ladybug. Above the clouds you go.
But Sue, you can't fly far on one wing.
That's for sure. And here come signature black dots.
Let's add more of these cuties here.
Great, we're done. Now let's look at all the pictures we made today. Here we go. Now the wall doesn't look so boring anymore.
Yay! We did it, Sue!
Yay! Friends, thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you soon.
Yeah, take care, folks. Bye-bye!